Welcome to Millet Table. For more recipes, you can log on to our website www.millettable.com. Today I am making Kal Dosai. So let's see how we can make this. This is 1 cup of kodo millet. You can take barnyard, proso, little or even foxtail millet. Any millet will work for this recipe. Then same measurement of idli rice. That is 1 cup of millet and 1 cup of idli rice. Half a cup of white urad dal, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. So wash them thoroughly, then soak for 4 to 5 hours and ferment it for 8 hours or overnight. Now after 8 hours the batter is ready. It has fermented well. So I am adding salt 1.5 teaspoon. Mix well. Add water. I added 3/4 cup of water. So batter should be in this consistency. Now the batter is ready. We will make dosa. These dosas are made little thick only. And no need of oil, just cover it. Cook on medium heat. Kal Dosai is ready.